All right, let's talk about storms and showers. Right now we're quiet, but we do have a cold front draped over central Texas that could serve as a focal point for a few showers or storms to bubble up this evening. Rain chances before midnight, 10 to 20%, but we could get a very isolated severe storm before midnight. After midnight, call it after about 1 o'clock or so, a slightly higher chance of some stronger storms to enter parts of the hill country, whereas just a few scattered showers in the metro start to develop. Could be damp tomorrow morning, isolated thunderstorm, scattered showers that wind down into the afternoon. Afternoon, we get some sunny breaks. It puts us into the 80s at least, and then a very minimal storm chance in the afternoon. Storm chances, including the risk for severe weather, goes up tomorrow evening and night. Some of these storms could really pack a punch before midnight, but our main round of more widespread rain and storms comes in after midnight into Saturday morning. Call it 1 a.m. in the hill country, and then after about 2 or 3 o'clock, these start to get into the metro. The strongest of storms should stay in the hill country. They may be marginally severe into the metro with a big weakening into our eastern counties. By daybreak Saturday, just some leftover showers for about half of the area, near and east of 35, with a slow drying trend through the morning. A lot of clouds in the afternoon. There may be another round of wet weather Saturday, but not until the evening. Call it a 10 to 20% chance for a couple more showers as we then dry out fully as we get into Sunday. Sunday should feature a lot of clouds, but some late day sun. So 20% rain or storm chances tonight, overnight lows of 69. Those rain chances rise to 60% tomorrow. Highest rain chances during the daylight hours of the day tomorrow will actually be in the morning, and then again late tomorrow night to 80%, and then just 50% of the daylight hours of your Saturday wet, mainly the morning hours, with dry weather in the afternoon. No rain expected here on Sunday. The severe weather threat from Friday into Saturday morning is higher than it's been all week. It's a 2 out of 5 from the metro into the hill country, a 1 out of 5 for our eastern counties. Most concerned with hail that could actually be particularly large, 1 to even 2 inches in diameter, potentially even larger than that. Wind gusts would be the next greatest risk, followed by a very isolated tornado threat and a localized flash flooding threat. Most of us should be able to handle this rain very easily, 1/4 inch to 1 inch. But in northern portions of the metro, northern Milam County, and a good chunk of the hill country, we could be looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain. So I do think the hill country gets the highest rainfall totals, which is good because we need the rain to head into our lakes. But there could be some localized 3 or 4 inch amounts there. Here's our first warning weather 7-day forecast. So there's your Sunday. Morning clouds, afternoon sun, breezy and chilly, mid-60s. And then look at Monday morning down into the 40s. The wind chill Monday morning could take us into the 30s. Monday sunny, 71. Tuesday sunny, 79. Low to mid-80s Wednesday and Thursday. Next week looks lovely. Big